Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Warborne Above Ashes low FPS, stuttering and lag on PC first. Right-click the Start menu and select Run. Now type temp and press OK to open the temporary files folder. Next, select everything inside the folder and delete it to remove unnecessary files. After that, go back and again right-click the Start menu, then choose Run. Here, type %temp% and click OK. When the folder opens, select all files and delete them to free up more space. Now, open your settings on the computer. Then click on Windows Update from the left panel. Here, click on Check for updates and let it install any available updates. Finally, restart your computer and launch Warborne Above Ashes. This should make the game run smoother and fix any lag, FPS drops, or stuttering issues. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.